Hey everybody, I am super excited to share this with you guys. So, as you guys know, or maybe you don't know, but now you know that Finnabair has come out with some matte waxes. There's a variety of colors, but we're going to focus on the white matte wax. This is called Old White, and stores are starting to get it now, and I almost can guarantee you that it's going to sell out fast. So if you want it, I would highly recommend picking it up. It will be listed down below in the description box. So let me go back a little bit. I was creating a project and I, of course, wanted to highlight some of the areas on these flowers here. These are from Prima. And whoops, as you could see, maybe it turned it just pink. It didn't really give it that nice white look that I want. And so when I found out that Finnabair was creating this matte wax, I immediately thought, could it be used in replacement on some things when we want to highlight areas on projects, especially for paper flowers that are dyed and then the gesso, because it is water based, it just kind of seeps into the this paper. It's basically paper, and it doesn't really give that nice white highlight. And also on projects where there is sprays like color bloom sprays, and I tend to use my heat tool with the gesso, and it takes a long time sometimes to get the look that I want. So I was thinking that would it work on things like this where gesso really doesn't do the job as I would want it to? In short, the answer is yes. As you could see, this one is one that I did with the matte wax. And here is the smaller flowers that I did. So I didn't end up using these flowers like I wanted to on the project. And when I got the matte wax, I tried it out on the flower just to see, and it works perfectly. I'm so excited. And I wanted to have a project for you guys. I'm working on one. It's just taking a little bit longer because I'm stuck, to be honest. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys real quick. So I'm going to take the matte wax. I'm going to fluff up the flower like I would have it on a project. Okay, just fluff it up. And we're going to take the matte wax. All right, so as you could see, it's highlighting those areas. It's not seeping in like the gesso did. And you can put as much or as little. I would start off with just a little. And you don't want it to be globby on your brush. So that's why I am kind of brushing off a little bit here. And yeah. Let's see if I can get there. There we go. It's very, very lightly brushing on, like, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but very lightly. I'm not pushing into the flower or else you're just going to get it all white. And I don't want that. So there we go. All right, I'm going to show you the gesso on the flower here. So same thing, I'm going to fluff it up. And again, lightly handed. I think it wants to go on, but then as soon as it like seeps in, it just makes it like a light pink. It doesn't really give that white highlight. Whoops, I keep dropping these flowers for some reason. You guys can tell the difference. So yeah, that is it. All right, so that is a quick look at the white matte wax. As you could see, it definitely does a better job at highlighting than than gesso in some instances. I do want to say really quickly that you do not want to heat set this because it will turn the matte wax into shiny wax and it will melt. So once it's dry, it's permanent until you add heat. Because it is a wax, it will melt. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, that is a very short video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know if you are planning on getting the matte waxes. Also, if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And I think that's it. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.